The introduction of LS171 Smart Colorimeter. LS171 Smart Colorimeter is compact and powerful. It needs to be used with mobile app. It adopts D/8 illumination geometry, which present the sample with diffuse illumination and approximately normal detection. Diffuse illumination is accomplished by the use of an integrating sphere. Light introduced into the sphere is sent through a series of reflections off the diffuse white sphere wall, quickly resulting in the diffuse illumination incident on the sample. LS171 is widely used in the plastic, paint, coating, ceramics and other industries. After successfully connected to the smartphone, LS171 Colorimeter will enter the calibration interface, in which allows you to calibrate the instrument or skip the calibration. If you choose to calibrate, you need to make sure that the body and the bottom cover fit together. The two triangular arrows must be aligned. In the color comparison interface, the instrument can check whether the color of the standard and sample are the same. This is a standard plastic shell and another is a sample. Place colorimeter on the standard and tap Scan Standard. Then move to the sample and tap Scan Sample. You can see the result in the screen. How to understand the measurement result? Standard refers to color of standard, while sample refers to color of sample. L represents the brightness of the color. A and B represent two color axes. A represents the red-green channel of color. B represents the yellow-blue channel of color. C represents chroma, and H represents hue. Parameter delta on the right means color deviation. For color brightness, L plus indicates sample color whiter than standard, while dash indicates sample blacker than standard. For color axis, A plus indicates redder, while dash indicates greener. For color axis, B plus indicates yellower, while dash means bluer. The color indication is for reference only and cannot be used for color correction. The instrument can realize QC inspection, which automatically determines whether the color difference between the standard and the sample is acceptable. Before QC testing, you need to select the right color difference formula and set a reasonable color difference threshold. QC inspection function autonomously enables batch inspection with higher efficiency. Can I compare color difference using LS171 when the standard material is not at hand? Sure, as long as you know the LAB or LCH value and input it in the color comparison interface. The instrument will automatically pull out the standard color you have just input. Now, using a master batch makes color comparison. If you are afraid of forgetting this standard value, tap Save Standard to save it. You can add the standard and sample color directly from the electronic or personal color library in this interface. How to use LS171 Colorimeter to collect colors. Hold the instrument close to the surface of the material, tap Scan in Color Scan interface, and the value of the LAB color space is displayed on the screen. You can also switch to other 6 color spaces by tapping Menu and select Color Format in the settings. The instrument has various color cards common to the industry and can automatically matches 3 closest color card numbers to the material. Matching accuracy can reach 90%. Name the color you have tested and then tap this icon to save it in the color card library you have created. A huge amount of colors can be stored in the app. Tap the share icon to share colors in the form of picture or data via social media. LS171 Smart Colorimeter measures accurately, allowing you to measure colors with half the effort and ensures that it can pass the testing of the National Authoritative Metrology Institute in China.